Hello everybody. In this video we will learn how to divide in Excel. It's very common feature and very much used, and it's very easy to do also. For example, we have these two amounts over here and these are the quantities. If you want to divide this by this, how do we do that? Well, we start by pressing is equal to, and then you can select the number you want to divide, then enter the division symbol, which is this one, and then select the number by which you want to divide this. So which is this in this case. So here's the answer. 1000 divided by 2 is 500. Let's try to divide now 2000 by 30. Now there is another way. You can type in 2000, put in the division symbol and type in 30. Voila, it's divided. It's so very simple. So this is how you divide in Excel. See you in the next video.